is raising money for victims of Hurricane Sandy in Jersey City and Hoboken, as well as around New Jersey. Yesterday they raised over $900. Today they hope to raise even more.
Zumba is always trying to help the community, and since Sandy and the hurricane came, we all get together, and right now we have 7 instructors that are here, and we're gonna be dancing for 2 hours. People is actually donating $20. That's the price, the ticket for the class, and we all gonna be just dancing, having fun, and knowing that we're doing something good for the communities.
For Hudson County TV, I'm Lauren Hard.